Hi everyone, welcome back to RideWaves USA. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda EM1E, Honda's first electric scooter designed for urban riders. Car and Bike Plus 7 Wikipedia Plus 7 Honda News Plus 7. The EM1E is powered by a 50.3 volts, 29.4 Ah lithium-ion battery, delivering a maximum power output of 1.7 kilowatts and a peak torque of 90 Newton meters. This setup allows the scooter to reach a top speed of 45 km per hour, approximately 28 miles per hour. Zig wheels plus 4 bike junction plus 4 Wikipedia plus 4 Zig wheels. Charging the EM1E takes about 6 hours, providing a range of up to 48 km in Econ mode and 41.3 km in Standard mode. The scooter features an in-wheel 3-phase brushless motor, ensuring smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. OTA plus 3 Honda PH, The Power of Dreams plus 3 Wikipedia plus 3 Bike Junction plus 1 Honda PH, The Power of Dreams plus 1. In terms of design, the EM1E boasts a compact frame with dimensions of 1,860 mm in length, 680 mm in width, and 1,080 mm in height. It has a seat height of 740 mm and a curb weight of 95 kg, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. UK, English plus 2 Car and Bike plus 2 Wikipedia plus 2 Zig wheels plus 11 coxmotorgroup.com plus 11 Zig wheels plus 11. The scooter comes equipped with a digital instrument display, LED headlights and taillights, and a USB charging port for added convenience. It rides on 90/90/12 front and 190/10 rear tubeless tires, providing stability and comfort on city roads. UK, English plus 1 Honda News plus 1 OTA plus 4 Zig wheels plus 4 Bike Junction plus 4. As for pricing, the EM1E is available in the UK with an on-the-road OTR price of £3,299. In the Philippines, it starts at a ±155,400. The expected price in India is around a superscript 177,000. In Japan, it was launched at approximately $2,167. UK, English plus 1 UK, English plus 1 OTA plus 2 Zig wheels plus 2 Zig wheels plus 2 91 wheels plus 1 Bike Junction plus 1 Webike Japan. The EM1E is available in 3 color options: Pearl Sunbeam White, Digital Silver Metallic, and Matte Ballistic Black Metallic. coxmotorgroup.com plus 10 UK, English plus 10 Zig wheels plus 10. That's all for today's overview of the 2025 Honda EM1E. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, city-friendly scooter, the EM1E is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RideWaves USA for more updates on the latest in electric mobility. See you in the next video.